Hello, today we will discuss about the air conditioning, and this is the introduction part of air conditioning. So first of all the applications for air conditioning, we can categorize them as a comfort application or process application. Comfort application, when we use the air conditioning as in our residential spaces or in small spaces like institute or uh, commercial spaces. Process application is used in big spaces like laboratories and uh, nuclear spaces. Any facility which needs continuous cooling, regardless of the outside temperature or inside temperature. It remains constant. But here in comfort application, we can change according to the external heat, external environment condition, or internal heat load. So this we can understand by the application basis. Now, what all the components we are having in our air conditioning system? So first come refrigerant, coil, evaporator, compressor, condenser, plenum. These components makes a cycle, and this becomes the principles of our air conditioning. So first, refrigerant. Refrigerant is a liquid which circulate through the whole cycle. So coils, it is the tubing loops which forms the tube-like structure, and refrigerant transport in this coil. Then comes evaporator. Evaporator attract the warm air and allow the refrigerant to absorb heat from the environment. And then come compressor. Compressor compress the molecules of refrigerant or squeeze the uh, molecules. So it increases the pressure and temperature of the refrigerant. And then come condenser. Condenser allow the refrigerant to give off heat for providing the cool air, and refrigerant in this part of condenser also becomes in liquid state. So this was the condenser. Then plenum. Plenum is the uh, air compartment, and we can say this is the duct like structure which circulate and form the part of system we can say ducting. So plenum is that part. Now comes to the cycle of air conditioning, how it works. So from first evaporator, we get warm heat from here, from surroundings, and it goes to the compressor through refrigerant in vapor state, and compressor squeezes the molecules, and it goes to the condenser with heat, and condenser change the refrigerant in liquid state and release the heat from this part. Then this liquid refrigerant go to the expansion valve, and from here it goes to the evaporator, and the cycle goes on. So we can understand air conditioning through these major parts: compressor, condenser, expansion valve, evaporator, to understand the basic cycle in air conditioning. Thank you.